Guys, welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art and I'm Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to paint Krishna's skin and what color I'm going to use. So I am going to explain you everything step by step. So if you are a beginner, it will be an easier process. I will describe each process to you guys so that you can make your own painting on canvas. Okay, so let's get started. So here I'm going to use for the skin Prussian blue, cobalt blue and white. For the cheek part, the highlighted part of the cheek, some crimson also to make a pinkish look on the highlighted part. So here are my brushes that I'm going to use. Now make sure you keep your canvas in a tilt position and your canvas have enough support to face your strength, because we will apply the color with rubbing process that I have already mentioned on my previous introduction class. Okay, if you didn't check that, please do check it. I have given the link on the description below. So after checking that, you can proceed with this tutorial. So we have to use the rubbing process so that our canvas will absorb much color that it needed. Okay, I have mixed cobalt blue with white. Now for the shadowy part I'm applying Prussian blue, but don't worry, this won't be the final look. It's just a base color, so the color will be changed. After applying the first coat, let it dry for a few minutes. I'm applying color on highlighted cheek part with crimson and white to give it a nice pinkish look on the highlighted part of the cheek. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you do so, please hit the like button. And if you're new and want to learn art, both digitally and hand drawing, you can easily subscribe my channel. It's a free of cost, so it's totally free. Let me know in the comment section below what was your experience on canvas painting, and I will be back on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.